Can you get paid for pain and suffering in a Boston car accident? Hi, I'm attorney John Sheehan. Since 1993, I've represented thousands of injured workers and accident victims throughout Massachusetts. I fight to make sure that each client receives all of the compensation and medical treatment that they're entitled to without getting taken advantage of by an insurance company. Well, in order to be able to receive pain and suffering compensation in a car accident in Boston or Massachusetts, you first have to be able to show that the car accident was caused by another driver's negligence, that another driver was at fault. If it was a single car accident, if you were just driving and maybe it was raining, it was a rainy night, and for some reason you lost control and you skidded off the roadway, in most cases then it's just a one car accident, there was no one else at fault, and you probably won't be able to receive compensation for what's called pain and suffering damages. You have to be able to prove your damages. With a few exceptions, you have to have medical bills that altogether total more than $2,000 in order to be eligible to even bring a claim for pain and suffering damages. How much money can you receive for pain and suffering in a car accident in Boston? Well, that depends. First of all, it depends on the nature, the extent, and the severity of your injuries. For example, if you suffered a fracture or whether you suffered muscle strains due to the car accident. Were you admitted to a hospital? Were you inpatient in a hospital for a period of time? Or did you just receive emergency room treatment in the hospital and then were released that same day to home? How does the injury impact your life? Did you have any lost time from work? Can you do the stuff that you used to do in your everyday life? Like work out, go to the gym, or do chores around the house? Do you have any permanent impairment? Has a doctor said that as a result of the car accident that your injury will never be 100%, and as a result you're permanently impaired for that injured body part, whether it's your shoulder, your neck, your back, or whatever injury you sustained in the car accident? If you've been seriously injured in a car accident in Massachusetts and the accident was caused by the other driver's fault, the other driver was negligent, and you've had to go to medical appointments, you've had to receive physical therapy, you've lost time from work, you're incurring medical expenses because of the injuries and the treatment that you have to receive to treat the injuries, please feel free to reach out and find out what your legal rights are. You can call me at the office, you can send me an email. If you prefer, you can visit my website where you'll find contact forms that you can fill out. I'll reach back out and respond to you. We'll talk about what happened, who is at fault in the accident, what evidence is there to be able to show that it was the other driver's fault, what are your injuries, your treatment, what damages have you sustained as far as lost wages, medical bills, what future treatment are you receiving, and I'll talk to you about what the steps are in order to be able to prove your case, in order to be able to present a claim so that you can receive compensation for pain and suffering. And if you found the information in this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, click the bell icon below so you'll receive notifications of my future videos, and share this video with your friends and family.